jump.
Like this.
Don't fall, man. I don't think I can save you.
Hello, Tom. I know about your success, about your YouTube channel. I am sure that you are going to be expanding and growing more and more. Saludos, Tomás.
We're just gonna watch you and see how you do it. You said there's a bit of wind and
Yeah, see the flag?
yes, I see the flag.
That's enough. We don't need too much.
You don't need too much.
Because
We don't need to
otherwise
go fast.
it gets pretty scary. You can hop on board.
I can hop on board. Okay. Oh yeah. Do you like boats too? Oh, you must. You must.
All right.
Oh wow.
All aboard.
Okay, let me hop in. Don't drop anything. What is warming up?
Engine.
Oh yeah. The engine warming up. Look at that.
How long do you run your engine for before you take off?
I don't wait.
Go.
I'm terrible.
Yeah, and I wait about like 5 minutes.
Oh, okay. No, that's the sensible thing to do. Well, I'm gonna have to check out your cabin here. Wow, look at that. So there's like comfortable living space. There's a bird down there. Nice.
Oh yeah, it is livable, right?
It is livable.
Yeah.
Have you taken the boat out for like long trips?
Not yet. That's what I'm planning on.
Yeah. Where do you want to go?
For now, I'm just gonna go to from Vancouver Island to Vancouver mainland.
Oh, okay. But on a sailboat, how long is that gonna take?
That should take about 4 to 6 hours.
4 to 6 hours,
Yeah.
right?
But
So
I'm only
BC
going-
ferry is like 2 hours.
Hmm?
My boat is about 3 hours. Yours is like 6. But mine's
Probably
powerboat.
like 6, yeah. It's
Yeah.
mine. Like I'm lucky if I get into like 5 knots. Or
Yeah.
6 knots. I'm lucky.
Yeah.
I'm really lucky if I get into 6 knots.
Yes.
Uh,
So you really let your hair grow and your
I do,
beard,
yeah.
and you look like Jesus.
I
now.
look like a sailor. I
You
am-
look like a religious sailor. like you were saying that you can walk on water, right?
with like yeah.
They make me wear the
It's up to you.
safety.
I don't know.
Yes.
Like I'm still not familiar with the.
No,
the lore.
I should. Oh, I get the baby
Yeah,
one.
you get it.
I get the baby one. No, I think that's yours. Wow, you get a life
You
jacket
get
too.
this one.
Okay,
So you don't get all.
I get this one. Are you sure this is gonna float? I'm just gonna I think this feels really heavy. So I'm just gonna stick to the
It's gonna
bottom.
float. You can have this one.
No. This is fine.
Okay.
So that's how you put it on.
That's how we put it on, but
Yeah.
put it on. But he can swim.
Yeah, he doesn't need a life vest.
Oh, yeah, he still does. It's easier to swim. He can still swim without it, but if it is like a long distance, then
He's such a good boy. Just let you put it on. It's like I've done this like a million times already.
oh yeah. I was born as a dog.
Yeah.
I identify as a dog, but to my daddy, I'm just a baby.
Oh, you little baby.
Yeah,
Getting some help getting the boat out?
Like that.
Alright, let's just watch Daddy. Okay, let's just watch Daddy. See how he does it. Untie the line.
Can I?
See ya. Bye bye. Adios.
I know I know your boat is like all automatic. Mine is like all manual.
Actually, it's got like
How many horsepower?
it's got a
Like 9
navigational
horsepower?
map. It's got a
But I
compass.
did, we have to like 5.
Pretty much all you need.
Yeah.
We're going to Gabriola Island.
Go like an hour. Yeah.
I know where that is. That's just
Point it like this.
okay. Do you really trust me? Point like this. Okay. I can do that. Bye.
Alright.
We'll call you when we get back.
that. Okay, go. Antai.
You look stressed out.
I forgot about the electricity. It's still connected.
You're too excited.
Exactly.
Okay, so getting the sailboat out is a challenge. All right, thank you so much. So that's like a neighbor.
I know he works here.
He works, yeah.
He helps me
Get out.
Getting
yeah.
out.
Sailboats getting out of the dock can be quite a challenge.
Is it, eh?
Yeah.
I know, that's why. And
Because it's like a single engine and there's no bow thruster to help you.
No, I have to do it all by myself. And,
Yeah.
You know, I'm fine if I do it by myself, right?
Yeah, I know
you know,
you're fine doing it by yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You haven't changed, but the same old, dirty old.
I don't know. Look at that apple. That's a nice boat. Wow, that's a nice
Yeah,
boat.
man. That's
yeah.
Oh shit, that's like so much spirit.
Calm spirit. That's my spirit.
Yes.
Oh, this is a nice marina. No wonder you want to move to like the island.
I know, man. It's such you know, nice place to be around here, right?
It's a beautiful place. I wish I can live here, but I can't, obviously. But you know,
Wait, how often do you come to Vancouver? You can
every 3 months,
but you find like a place here. Or,
nice and quiet.
yeah, nice quiet. You want to get out of all this hassle.
Is that your motorbike? You still got
No,
it?
it's my stupid motorcycle noise myself. Okay, I'm gonna put this out like properly.
Okay. You have a dinghy
I do.
with an electric motor.
Yes.
Yeah.
Put it there just in case we of emergency or if we have to get off.
Emergency? No, we're not gonna have an emergency.
In case of emergency, we have to walk on water. This is my autopilot. This is I rely on this when I have to put the sail all by myself.
That is really cool. So there's actually like a robotic device like that connect to this.
Yeah,
and
no,
then,
it's not. You set which
a degree, like
degree,
the
yes,
bearing.
Yes, the bearing.
Yeah, and then it'll just go fixed in that direction.
That one.
Yeah, cool.
Like,
All right, we just had a long
Oh,
catch
right.
up, and then now Mr. Aries is going to sail.
Gonna put the sail up, guys.
Gonna put the sail up. Teach us how to do it. You're our master now. Master
Yeah.
sailor.
Okay, you're different. When I see your videos, right? You're like this really mean tough guy.
But I am being in tough. What are you talking about?
You're different. It's like you have two personalities. When you come, when you're in the east, you have a different. You're just really mean. You fucktard.
Well, you know, I have to deal with a lot of fucktards.
Exactly. So I get you jail graphic. When you're in the east, everyone is a fucktard. Get a fucking job.
Hey.
I love it. Like,
All right.
no, I love the background. There's one thing. You have a quote that I remember, right? Something like I forgot now. But anyway, it's one thing that that I really like, which like people who keep complaining are the one. Shit, I forgot.
Analysis paralysis? Like, you don't plan so much, right?
Yeah,
Take fucking action.
exactly, something like that. And I love it, man. I love it. Don't
I
get me
think it
wrong.
makes sense.
Yeah. What you're talking about, all these fucking factors.
Fucking fucktards? Oh,
See, I'm even mean.
I have a lot of them.
I'm even meaner than you are. You only see factors. I'm fucking factors.
Okay.
Okay,
Now,
I'm gonna
just learn from you. Huh?
I'm gonna be a factor now.
This is how you, I guess, release the sail. Don't fall.
If I do, I got my thing.
True.
And then I have you.
No, I can't do shit.
It has to be upwind.
Upwind. We have to be upwind.
Be pointing to the wind.
pointing into the wind. Makes sense. That's a lot of work.
Not really. It's good.
That's like exercise? Practice?
Take a lot of practice.
You have a lot of practice?
When you live by yourself, you're really good with the hands. All right.
The sail is up. Is there another sail?
There's another sail. Yeah, we're not done yet. There's another sail.
There's a lot of lines on the sailboat.
I know. You can get like a pretty. That's why I cannot drink.
You cannot drink?
No.
Alcohol, you mean?
Exactly.
Or smoke weed?
Or smoke weed.
While you're sailing. Yeah, that's a terrible idea.
You need.
Drink and sail.
You need to be paying attention.
Precisely. Gotta pay attention. That's why I love. That's what I love about boating, right? Because you really need to like focus.
Yeah. Take your mind off that factor.
Yes, exactly. Like, what if you like fell off and the boat just like left you? Then you're like, yeah, but you're not gonna catch up to the boat.
That's why I don't go that far.
Is there like something that you can attach yourself to the boat? Like, will that make it safer? So that at least the boat can drag you along.
Right. Yeah, nothing. Pretty much it, right? That's why.
I probably should
that's
not.
why you have to know how to walk on water.
I probably should not distract you. This takes a lot of focus.
All right.
It's flapping.
You got an erection.
Oh, oh, look at that. So the wind's pushing against the sail, and now
Yeah.
we're moving.
Yeah. With the help of the motor, you can turn
Yeah.
off the motor.
Turn the motor off, yes.
So,
Now we're under wind power. Yes, you have to focus.
exactly.
Yeah, you don't want to hit a ferry.
No.
That would suck.
But I have the right of way, right? Sailboat.
Technically, you do.
Yeah.
But do they give a shit? Do they-
I
it's
know.
the right of weight. They're heavier than you are.
The right of way. And you know what? I wouldn't even know I had the right of way if I'm dead.
Yeah, well, it doesn't matter.
I'm just gonna end up in your video. Another factor is there.
No. There's a ferry coming. Well, I think we're not gonna hit it. We're going so slow.
I'm just gonna power up a bit.
Okay.
So,
Here we just turn off the power.
yeah, it shows now wind power.
It's 100% under wind power, and it's nice and quiet. You only hear like water splashing. There's no motor noise, and there is wind. It's kind of windy actually, and we're actually kind of going at 2 knots.
2.2!
That's not bad.
2.2!
Wow.
We make it to Vietnam.
We're gonna go to Vietnam now?
Yeah.
Let's go. Is he enough food for him? Well, we might have to eat him.
No. Fishing.
What? We're gonna
We have
fish?
enough banana bread to go to Vietnam.
Oh, I have banana bread. Okay, that's important.
Across the ocean.
So why you love sailboats?
Because it's challenging. I've been windsurfing for many years,
Yes.
so it always like makes sense for me.
Yeah.
It's
It's like a big windsurfing.
yeah, it's big windsurfing. Yeah.
Yeah.
And while I'm here, while I'm windsurfing, I have this guy here with me,
Yes.
and I can eat banana bread.
And he's not helping much. Like we're not very helpful to
That's
you.
okay. Nobody helps me.
Yeah.
I do it by myself. Come on.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Is that like safe weight?
Yeah,
Nice. Very good.
makes it quiet, right?
It's about enjoying the moment. It's not about getting to a destination. We have to finish just in case anything happens. Look at that.
I can take you back to my school.
It'll take about 6 hours. Or longer. So good. Mr. Aries skipped work today.
Hmm?
Just so
No, I did not.
okay.
It's all legitimate.
That's all legitimate. Okay.
So I asked my boss.
Jump.
Like this.
Don't fall, man. I don't think I can save you. So we're getting to our destination, and Aries is going to put the sails away, right?
Yeah.
Ah. Again, he's gonna use his hands.
Yeah, both of them.
Both hands,
I
yeah.
will use 2 hands.
Well, you know, if it's like really a big job, then you need 2
Yeah,
hands.
it's quite a big job.
Every day, yes. Aha, so the sail is being stowed away like so. And I'm gonna head to Gabriela Island, which is just like across from us there. That is it. That's a big job. So Aries just like took his sail away too.
You can steer the boat now to the bay.
So I don't need to look at that anymore. I can just go wherever I want.
Yeah.
Like for
Yeah.
example, I want to go into that bay right
Yeah,
there.
let's go to the bay now.
But I don't want to hit that piece of wood that's floating on the water.
Oh, then don't hit it.
I'll try not to hit that wood, okay?
You have the power.
That's a big piece of wood.
Yeah, no.
That's a big wood.
Or you can avoid it. You have the power.
Well, that wood probably is very hard.
How
You
good?
hit
How
it.
good? How good are you with your hands?
You want me to use my hands to do what?
You are using your hands now.
Yeah, I'm using my hand.
What's going?
But that wood is in the way.
Well, avoid it, man. Avoid it.
I don't know.
It's still to the right.
It's like magnetic. Well, what happens happens.
No, it's still to the right.
Oh, okay. To the right. You know, I think that's a pretty shitty job, you know. We're gonna go in the bay there, and Mr. Aries is gonna anchor there, and Mr. Aries is gonna cook me some hamburger. Yeah.
Make some hamburger, yeah. That's better than Wendy's, yeah.
No, anything's better than
Better than McDonald's.
anything better than McDonald's.
Hey. Hi, Bert.
Oh, I missed the wood.
You missed the wood.
I missed the wood.
That's very good.
That's a really big piece of wood. We're in shallow water right now. Mr. Aries is going to try to anchor the boat. He needs focus right now. Yeah. Just like find the right spot.
Do you mind holding it?
Yes, I can hold that.
Point
That's
it
my
in that
job.
direction.
I'm good with my hands.
You are. You're getting good. Okay, 20 feet.
Practice makes
Let me know if
Okay, I will read the number to you. That number.
if it gets like lower, maybe move it a little bit forward.
Okay. It's actually going back right now.
It's going forward right now.
It's going forward?
The big one, the long one,
Yeah.
is for direction.
Oh, okay. The long one.
The short one
Yeah.
is for throttle.
Speed.
Speed, yes.
Throttle, yes. Okay. I like the long one. Aries is grabbing the anchor, dropping it in the water. So now we're gonna stay in this location. It's 25 feet right now, so it's okay. You're so quiet. You don't do much. So we've arrived in Taylor Bay here on Gabriela Island. Mr. Aries right over there is adjusting the anchor so that it will stay in its position, and then he's gonna fire up the barbecue. Alright, should be fun. We're actually going to take the dinghy and go on land. What are we gonna do on land?
We're gonna take sleep first.
Oh yeah, that's important. You need to poop, right? And then what?
And then back.
And then come back.
Alright, you can go down now if you want.
Okay, alright. So I go now.
Yeah.
Like I just like
Yeah.
jump in.
Yeah.
I hope I
Just
don't.
be careful, right?
Nah, who needs to be careful?
Maybe go backwards, right?
Oh,
Like you know, this is the stairs, right?
I can step on it.
Yes.
Oh, this is hard. Oh.
Don't fall, man. I only have a $500 insurance.
You can swim, right? Okay.
I only have a $500 liability.
Insurance.
Actually, that's all you will get.
Okay, bye. See ya. Hey. What do you want me to do? Okay, wait.
Oh shit! I have to put away the food.
Yeah,
Otherwise, you have me.
like what kind of visitor?
How do you know the sea lions?
The sea lions will come on the boat?
They can get up, yeah.
Wow. And then we'll eat the sea lion. We'll barbecue them.
Last week when I was staying here,
Yeah?
we actually managed to come up.
Really?
Yeah.
And what did you do?
I heard like something or somebody walking on the floor on the roof.
Yeah.
It was the sea lion.
Did you leave some food outside for the sea lion?
Like bear, right?
Bear. Bear. Hey! I need you to get me back too. don't do that. don't fall.
See you later, boat.
Okay.
You can sit on that side. I sit here.
Okay. You drive.
Driver of this.
Oh, it's electric power. Powered by lead acid battery.
Well, no, it's 12 volt.
12 volt. Yeah.
I don't. Is it acid?
It's lead acid 12 volt battery.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah. Like a car battery. Look at your boat. Bye bye boat. Bye bye breakaway.
So that is
Did you name the boat or the?
that is anchor, right?
That is anchored. I think you're fine.
Is
Well,
it
we'll
not?
find out later. Yeah, where's the boat? Where did it go? Nice. Beautiful boat.
Hi, Boatsy. I'll see you later, Boatsy. Okay, let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach.
Go to the beach. So you can go poo poo. Bye bye boat.
I left my wallet.
Well, there's no McDonald's there.
No, that's not. We're just gonna go pee pee.
Poo poo kaka?
Yeah,
Poo poo kaka.
we're gonna go pee pee. How about you gonna go pee pee, Poo Kaka?
He didn't do it in the boat.
He just wanna do it in the boat. He's too shy.
Oh yeah? It's too clean. Nice. That's right. On the water, with nature, communing with nature,
You know, like fresh air.
fresh air, not like the air in Ho Chi Minh City. Right? This is like really nice. Wholesome. Rocket trees. Love it, man. Good. Are you serious? Well, now you're here. You want to go back? Okay. You gotta hold on to your poo poo. Take you to go on shore to Pupu Kaka, and we're kind of stuck on
Right.
on rocks
Don't leave
here.
us.
I don't think I know how to leave.
Don't run away.
Okay. Have fun. Enjoy. Enjoy Kaka time. Wow.
My God, you're like a prince.
Well, I don't want to get wet. Come on.
I have to throw you. Oh my God. Look at this.
I can get on that rock and then I can hold on the boat. So that's how we get on land. Okay. Don't break into someone's home. So there's Aries sailboat dinghy. I'm on a little piece of rock here, and Aries went on land with the puppy and to take care of themselves. We're in this bay. Seriously, this is life.
Not bad, not bad.
Oh look, Aries is gonna walk on water again.
Yeah, no, the boat is anchored. It's not moving.
Yeah,
You know, I don't get started there.
I feel the same way. I think it took us a long time to anchor, that's why. See, he doesn't want to get wet too. Like me, I don't want to get wet.
You can like city people.
What?
You get city people.
We're city. He's a city dog. I'm city people. Yes.
What is that? I want my. Okay. You can go now.
Okay.
You can go on.
Okay. I can. How are we gonna get out of this? We're actually like stuck on rocks.
We're stuck on the rock.
We can't get out.
I can't get out that way.
Well, mainly because I'm too heavy.
No, yeah, you sit here.
Okay.
Sit.
Oh, okay.
Now stay.
Oh, yes. So how are we gonna get out?
Get out. Fuck, I think the boat is not moving.
Nah, don't scare yourself, man. It's not moving.
Or not that far. It is moving.
Well, it's the wind. They're changing
Shit,
the.
now it's deep. Oh, fuck.
Bye.
Okay, move to now.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. What an adventure.
100 danger, alright. What did you just?
I put the dinghy through the rocks. I would never do that.
That's what it is for, right? What if you're in you need to survive.
I live in the city. But seriously, the cottages here, so tranquil. I mean,
It is, right? I'm telling you, buy a place here.
yeah. Do they have like flushable toilets?
Oh yeah.
They have. That's kind of important. I need flushable toilets
I have one in my
in your boat.
boat.
It's called the head, the vacuum head.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. What are you doing with your hands again?
No, this is how I make money, right? You know me.
Massage?
Programming, right?
Oh, yeah. Oh, we're back to the sailboat.
Oh. Okay, I'll let you go in first.
Oh, me going. Oh, it's actually like going
It
sideways.
moves.
Yeah.
It's gonna be quite challenging.
Okay. I'll try to stay dry. I don't like to get wet. Should I grab onto something?
Yeah, grab it.
Alright, and walk it back.
Let's go. You climb up.
We're back at the marina, and thank you, Aries, for a wonderful day. And what are you doing in the water?
The dinghy is back.
Ah, so parking the dinghy. Aries is a very good boat docking person. So Aries and I had a few beers after the sailboat trip. What are you holding, man? Is that like,
my dog got burger.
is that your poop?
Shut the fuck up!
Anyways, I really enjoyed the sailboat trip. And
Stay here, bud.
Thank you. What the fuck? Thank you so much.
No,
And,
my pleasure, yeah.
Don't be a fucktard.
No.
No. Again. So, take some fucking action and. are you on weed? So take some fucking action and.
And don't be a factor.
Yeah!